What's poppin' YouTube? It's your favorite girl, Angel Janice, and I am back with another video today. As you guys can see from my crazy ass wig cap on my head, we doing a wig review today, bitch. And today I'm doing a review on the Ivan wig from Sis Sister Wigs. I got it in the color Som RT Fiesta. I'm sure y'all looking at that color like, bitch, what was you thinking? But I want to step outside of my comfort zone a little bit. So this wig comes with a standard cap construction, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps, you know, the usual. And the lace is pretty seamless. It can go with pretty much any skin tone, in my opinion. The lace is pretty nice. And it comes with a few baby hairs in the front also, you guys. So yeah, that's pretty nice as well. The cap itself, in my opinion, I would say it's semi big head friendly. I'm not going to say it's just, you know, dome friendly. The texture of this wig is like a light yaki, and it doesn't have a high luster or anything like that. So it doesn't look synthetic at all, sis. But anyways, as usual, I'm going to go ahead and hush up and, you know, let you guys watch me slay this wig.
Wishing on me. I've been moving condos, done no trouble with me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I
Caught me that Birkin, baby, nervous. I make them nervous. I make them nervous when them bum bitches in my town. All my real niggas alert us. He say, damn, baby, you.
Can I stop coming in, coming in? Put up in a drop top, she dropped it. Hold up, I don't know what planet.
Thinking I'm cheating and telling you lies, but you the one sister stuttering though. Living it, bitch, you need a tutor. Claim you a gangster, but you ain't a shooter. Talking about how you gon' beat up that pussy.
Whip got no keys, tell my clothes no starch, please. Soon as I nut, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed.
On me, let's go. When she double G, she got double G. I keep 100 on me. Got them blue G's.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Walk it, walk it.